That was such a great ride. Roar. Such a great ride. Whoa, hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, I'm at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I'm here to ride Dinosaur one last time. Can't believe I'm saying that. It's honestly one of my favorite attractions out of all the Disney parks, but I knew I had to bring you guys along. I knew this day was coming, but it's happening. Last day for Dinosaur. So if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun. I can't believe this is my last time telling you directions to Dinosaur. When you walk in to the Tree of Life, you make a right to get to Dinosaur. It doesn't seem real. I feel like the closer I get to Dinosaur, the more it hits me. I'm like, I had to keep it together. Because like I said, honestly, it's one of my favorite attractions out of all the parks. I love this ride. Guys, I'm already sad. My last time going into Dino Land, it doesn't seem real. Oh well, here we go. So in case you're wondering what's coming, here's a big picture of what's coming soon to this area. Dinosaur this way, right in the middle of these construction walls. I like all the butterflies leading the way. Oh, look at our dino friends coming down. Oh man, look at them. Here's the entryway. It's fast, it's a blast, it's in the past. After today, it's definitely in the past. I always thought these exhibits were cool walking in to the attraction. Looks like the wait time is 50 minutes. I was expecting that. Very, very crowded, to be expected. Everyone's riding it their last time. Great photo up there. Here we are, guys. One last ride. You won't be able to look at this stuff anymore after today. So I'll try to walk through a little slow to show off all this stuff one last time. I figured I'd go through the lightning lane and then the regular line to show off the queue.
Whereas B&Ms are very specifically designed. And so when they added VR,
and of course, 65 million years ago, these giants ruled the earth. Nice stuff, right? And I also like how you can hear Bill Nye the Science Guy. Haven't heard him in a while.
is outside of that, but
The Dino Institute. Oh. The last time seeing the show, no.
Hello. I'm Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary, but the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you'll witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there! Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an Iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures. I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times. Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon. Then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone, okay?
No, my last time in this room. My last time. Come on. It doesn't feel real.
Hello, my friends.
Doesn't make sense.
By the doors are going no, no, no. Good luck.
The doors bite, guys. getting on right now. One last ride.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll!
One last time, guys.
Now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just
Oh
little
no!
one.
Oh no! Oh my god!
Oleoramus.
He ate him up alive.
Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Oh my gosh.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Okay, good. We'll get you a salad.
Impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Oh!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
I can't believe that's my last ride.
Please gather personal belongings from the couch in front of you and remain seated until the rover comes to a complete stop.
We took your picture 65 million years ago. They sure did. $65 million years ago they took our photo. Wait, where's it at? I don't see it. See a cast member, okay. We're gonna have to go see a cast member, I guess. Oh, look at these guys. Look at these. That was such a great ride. Arr, such a great ride. This gift shop is pretty fossilized, if you know what I mean. Pretty cool though, right? I think so. Oh, that's where our photos are. Off to the right. Oh yeah, there I am about to die. Oh my gosh. I look like I'm dying. Thank you though. Oh man. I don't know if it was because I was emotional, if I was just like scared, but it looked like I was legit dying in that photo. So I'm not getting the photo. Even though that is memories, I'm not getting that photo. I wasn't expecting it to look like that. There you have it, guys, our last ride on Dinosaur. Can't believe I'm saying that. I'm gonna miss this ride so much, but at the same time, I'm super happy I got to bring you guys along for one last final ride. But on the bright side, thanks to videos like these and other videos online, our memories of this attraction will never die. Dinosaur lives on forever, even though today's the last day. Anyways, with that said, byes are forever, and see you later. Oh yeah, guys, and by the way, out of all vehicles to park next to, look at the one I'm next to. Pretty cool ride.